Welcome to another Chris Palmer SEO short where I answer your question, Adrian. Today's question from Adrian is, what about those gigs on Fiverr that offer DR60 increases for like 10 bucks or 5 bucks? DR increase based on Google redirects and high authority domains. What's the deal with these? I guess that's the question. And the deal is they're really just a waste of time. Definitely a waste of money, because on my channel, I've shared completely complimentary for free on how you can create these redirects and spike your metrics, because that's all it does. It fools third-party metric providers like Moz with DA, Ahrefs with DR, and TF with TrustFlow, which is majestic. It just spoofs metrics. Doesn't actually do anything for you, your clients, or your business. Don't waste your time. Certainly don't waste your money. It's a fun trick, but that's all it is a trick. I'll see you in the next short. Thanks for the question.